Hi. Today we're going to tell you how to reopen suspended Google Merchant Center. We will also provide information about the reasons behind this action by Google and how our Google partner team can help you with this question. Let's get started. Understanding Google Merchant Center suspension. Google has a set of product data specifications and policies that every merchant is expected to adhere to. These shopping ads policies revolve around 4 core areas: prohibited content, prohibited practices, restricted content, editorial and technical. In case the merchant does not adhere to these policies and product data specifications, Google Merchant will suspend their account. Stages involved in account suspension due to product data quality or policy violation. Initial review: if found that your item is in violation, you will be sent a warning. Warning: in this, you have to resolve the violation mentioned within the suspension period. Account suspension: if the issue is not resolved as per guidelines mentioned in the warning mail, your account will be suspended. Steps to reopen suspended Google Merchant Center. First, check that all the issues stated in the suspension mail are resolved. Now sign in to your Merchant Center account. In the navigation menu, click Products, Diagnostics. Click Accounts tab. Select the issue you want to be reviewed. Click Request Review. A pop-up window will appear explaining the review process, its requirements, and its limitations. Make sure you read it carefully. Select the checkbox of the pop-up window and click Request Review. Requests for reviews can take up to 7 days to complete. When the review is finished, you'll get an email notification. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.